Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss with one question that is related to the RHS. I have written this question and we have already done the same question in our last exercise also, that is 7.2. This question is from exercise 7.3, but here they have written this word. The question is important just because of this line. By using the RHS means here we are bounded. We can't use angle side criteria here that we have used in our last question, means in last exercise the same question. Here we have to use the RHS criteria. RHS criteria क्या होता है? One angle should be a right angle means 90 degree. Hypotenuse should be equal means the longest side should be equal, and one side, that side can be any side. Fine. So how will we solve? They have given a triangle to us and the name of the triangle is ABC. In this triangle, BE and CF are two equal altitudes. Altitudes means that will be perpendicular on the sides. ऐसे ही BCF is also perpendicular. But what they have written that these altitudes are equal. So we are going to write with the given. So what is given in the question? In triangle ABC, BE and CF are altitudes. And one more thing they have provided to us, that these altitudes are equal in length. Now to show, what we have to show here, to show is triangle is isosceles. Triangle ABC is isosceles. Isosceles means two sides should be equal. It means we have to show AB is equals to AC. I have already explained you in our last classes also. Whenever you want to show that two sides equal and two angles are equal, it can be shown by using the congruency only. First you have to show the triangle that involves these two sides, that they are congruent. If they will be congruent, then we can say that by CPCT both the sides will be equal. CPCT means corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Fine. So here we can use any criteria. Then ABC. I can take this triangle, and ACF that we have taken in our last question also. Angle A is equals to angle A, common. And this angle equals to this angle, reason each 90 degree. BE is equals to CF, reason is given that the altitudes are equal. So iska matlab these two triangles can be congruent, but here we have used angle side criteria. So it is not acceptable because they have written by using the RHS. अब RHS यूज करना है तो प्रॉब्लम आती है. RHS में आपको क्या करना है? You have to take one hypotenuse. तो अगर we will take these triangles, so right angle in front of right angle, hypotenuse is there. So ये hypotenuse तो equally करनी हो जाएगी में. Then how will we be able to use the hypotenuse? तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will take the triangles of this downward side. We will take triangle BFC and BEC. One angle is 90 degree and hypotenuse is also equal. Why the hypotenuse is equal? Because BC equals to BC and it is common. And one more side, B is equals to CF also because it is given. So how will we start the question? In triangle BCF and triangle BCE and triangle BCE, angle BFC is equals to angle BEC, and the reason is each 90 degree. Then in the second one, BC is equals to BC. Why BC equals to BC? Because it is common. And this one is the hypotenuse for both the right angle triangles, common side. Then the next is BE is equals to CF. Why BE is equals to CF? CF is equals to BE because we have to write the sides and the angles of this triangle this side. So CF is equals to BE, reason is because it is also given. Therefore triangle BCF is congruent to triangle BCE by using what we have used here. This is 90-degree angle means right angle. BC is equals to BC common side, but ये क्या थी? Hypotenuse. And one more side is also equal. So which criteria we have used here? We have used here RHS. And according to the question, we have to use RHS only. Just because of this rule, the question is very important. So BCF is congruent to BCE by using RHS. Therefore, we can say that angle B is equals to angle C, complete angle. So angle CBF is equals to angle BCE. BCE. It means BCE. Reason is CP-city. Reason is CP-city. What we have written here? CBF is equals to BCE. BCE. And the reason is CP-city. Therefore, if these two angles are equal, so in triangle ABC, if angle B is equals to angle C, reason is proved above. Proved above. Therefore, what we can write? AB is equals to AC. Reason is sides opposite two equal angles. Two equal angles are also equal. Angles are also equal. Are also equal. So what we have shown here, that AB is equals to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Is an isosceles triangle. Hence proved. Hence proved. So we have proved this question by using the angle sides criteria also, and by using the RHS criteria also. By the RHS criteria, the question is very important according to the exam point of view. Fine students. So that's all for today. Thank you class.